greatness. He literally posted pictures from that game on Instagram as a highlight on his stories. I thought to myself, bro, that should be the most embarrassing moment of your life. And you're here posting it on your story. You're fucked. You're never gonna make it. You can just look at somebody and see they're a Cruff.
A few moments later.
Brother, I'm 19 years old. You're like 45, bro. You could have been my father. Why you following me for bad man? I don't know you. I don't know you, bro. Stop calling my name out of your mouth, please.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
You don't know Media Fox, you know? Yeah, man. So, but see a little thing. You don't know what going on with the reggae boys. You don't know. I think a Kamaru or something like so. A Kamako. The side where them play with you and you don't know them they end up must draw and losing. So, you know, them they put on whisper, the coach put on whisper like the last part of the game. So whisper not really get a full run and thing, but him been scoring goal. You see me? He might do him thing. He's a young youth. Him young, about 19. I do him look a thing. You don't know. He might play for Chelsea. And I look a young league, you know, under 19 or so. You know, him not reaching at the big league yet, but the youth have potential. You see me? So, see that brother here? He's a TikTok brother. Him always come out and make video and thing, you know. I would know him as a TikToker, but the man followed out and I say some crazy thing, people. I mean, if I say, yo, you see why our society still like a little youth, yeah, drag down so that just because, yeah, the side lose and, you know, the man have more side for play and thing, but the way the brother attack, I have to make no hear what go on.
No, he's never gonna make it. He doesn't even have a number for Chelsea. This is where I forward when they ban me. I get banned all the while now. Bro, he doesn't have a number. He doesn't have a registered number. He doesn't have a number. He doesn't have a number. I saw him posting pictures of the game on Instagram, like highlights of the game. And that's when I realized he's never going to make it.
So, whisper, post a picture. You know, like when them dip on the field, them post some picture when them dip on the field and thing. This man getting him feelings. And I go say, just because the youth post a picture, you know, on the field, we know say yeah, Jamaica lose and thing, but out of all of the people them dip on the field, right? Him pick for choose the youngest. Maybe the youngest one on the field. Seeing? And the man go say the youth now go make it. So tell me now, brother. You all up on a young youth. You're a big man. Seeing? The youth are play for Chelsea. And you are going to tell the youth as a Jamaican, rather than you look on the youth and say, youth, do it. You see potential. Like, motivate the youth. Seeing? All if in a year eyesight you feel like him not do good, motivate him. But you remember now, that youth you could have be a little brother or who to knows or your son. But rather than you uplift the youth and say, yo, do it, youth, your brother say, yo, him not gonna make it. That's why I try to show you, bro. Sometimes when I call on something on some youth, bro. Yeah. Whisper is a little youth, 19-year-old. I do him thing. And he might do well too. For such a young age. So imagine when him reach all way up in the 20s or so. And for you I deal with the youths, brother. At 19, the youth I play some big league. At least he might play for Jamaica. Because he's a good baller at this age. And you are going to say the youth now going to make it. Tell us you want to bring down each other, brother. So how the youth them for out there and for perform when they talk like this? Rather than motivate and say, yo, just do better, man, you know? Yeah. Uplift on yourself. But I prefer just bring down. Yeah, but he must say people.
He mentally doesn't have what it takes to be a professional athlete at the highest level. He doesn't have what it takes to achieve greatness. He literally posted pictures from that game on Instagram as a highlight on his stories. I thought to myself, bro, that should be the most embarrassing moment of your life. And you're here posting it on your story?
So yeah, tell me, say, brother, out of everyone, out of the 11 players on the field, a one-man status here I watch, so. So through the youth post pictures of him on the field, that cause a problem for bring down a youth? I never know this. Oh yeah, say the man, the youth, the local youth, I'm not capable of a professional baller. Brother, where Messi them afford from a Cristiano Ronaldo? Where them man they are forward from? Brother, them man they never have nothing. Yo, if you did see all them man when them little brother, them a come from a poor background. Them never have nothing and look on the man them today. The man them rock bar with no gold spoon in a mouth. The man them in the streets and them little thing, the brother. So, bro, some of the time when I talk, rather than motivate, just a bring down a little youth, bro. Man, a little youth are just 19. Just 19-year-old. And look how you the man say, yo, him now capable of no professional. Bro, look on all of the ballers them. The ballers them at the same, them post on them page when whatever the people them take picture, them just take that and put on them page. Them braff, them go in a club, same thing we whisper, do the same thing them do, brother. Zine, you have the older one, the mature one, them will change them life, but when them just start, every one of them moves off them. Some don't really know what you talk about, bro.
You're fucked. You're never gonna make it. You can just look at somebody and say they're a Cruff. And he's unfortunately a Cruff. He just has no ambition, bro.
Clause said.
Yo, you know so I can't believe the man I call Whisper, Cruff. People, you told them people are vile. The man say man nah no ambition. Like a 19-year-old youth we play for Chelsea. You know how much youth dream to play for Chelsea? A youth even score goal for Jamaica. And you I go call the youth Cruff. Yo, me I tell you to bombard. Yo, where them man forward from? This man we sit down. They on TikTok. Enough time I see him talk about taps and roses and all of them little thing there. I beg. And a youth out there. This youth, this 19-year-old youth, take your mother out of poverty. Buy mother this house, everything. Look, a 19-year-old youth do it. Because I'm talent we him have. Put a smile on his mother face. And you are going to call the youth Cruff. The youth work him way up. Seeing? And they when they don't want to play for Jamaica or represent Jamaica. Till when the coach never want to put it on the field, everybody say whisper, whisper, whisper. Seeing? The youth have potential. The youth score a goal. And you are going to fall out and call the man Cruff. When you are the one who act like one because you up on TikTok every day at Taps and Roses, brother. So, I can't be say you look on a 19-year-old youth. Him not reach in the big leagues yet and you go call the man Cruff. When the man at 19, the man a do a lot. Take care of him family at 19-year-old. How many 19-year-old in Jamaica I provide for them whole family? And you go call the man Cruff. What you a do? What you a do for represent Jamaica? You not do nothing, bro, more than just bring down. So, are you would I say the Cruff from? Yeah, and that's how I see it. But people whisper forward out and them talk, you know. So look what I say.
Now tell this thing, go tell a man say, nah, you gonna make it. And blah blah this and blah blah that. You see, me, brother, I'm 19 years old, you're like 45, bro. You could have been my father. Why you following me for bad man? You could have been my father, bro. Bro, focus on your weight, dog. The time when you take chat for me, bro, you run go bomb book like Moby and come back, dog. Focus on your weight, bro. Please. I don't know you. I don't know you, bro. Stop calling my name out of your mouth. Please. Because I never call your name out of my mouth. No time. Please, so. Me, I said, don't worry to you. What I said, bro, stop following me, please. Never tell them, go suck him more. You know, the reason for them was something more. And,
only thing I can say to Whisper, I say it go, bro. You see it, will spit out like a bubble gum. Yeah. It no matter what you do, good or bad, bro. You just always have people, so from now on, fam, when you hear people talk, bro, just, you don't need that for forward out and address it, bro. Yeah. You don't need that for forward and address it. Yeah, give them money or some waste of time. Just dip on TikTok and Taps and Roses and dip on the media, bro. I say some one bag of thing and see all we did them that run for some side politics thing. Brother, just do what you have to do, youth. Yeah, you have talent, you have potential, you're 19-year-old, you do it, youth. And I say, yo, you take care of your family, brother. Yeah, me see it. So you no need no give them youth and attention, bro. Them not an ambition, brother. You see me? Yeah. I just maybe him family rich and thing. You, bro, you take your family out of poverty, youth. Just do what you do. Not pay them youth in the mind. Them born with gold spoon in the mouth, you know. So them not really have no ambition. Them just a sit down and there every day. Just TikTok and fall out and chat one bag of trash. Yeah. So just do your thing, you wanna focus on them. Don't give them money and attention, dog. Yeah, man, just focus on your work, bro. You see it?
Just go tell a man say, nah, I never call you a Cruff. You see it? Yeah, dog. So, you know, to some of the murder come on live, it come talk about it, then take it to another level. Nah. Because, you know that early man, bro. So, I never call you a Cruff.
Yes, people, so yo, when I see this a big money, I try bring down a local youth, so a local youth we are do it for the country. Yeah, man, them youth here, me I tell you, man, them vile, man. I tell you, big man. Out at 11 players are on the field. Look who the brother youth will come call out, and I call the youth Cruff. Cruff, you know, for what the youth are doing, you know, the little 19-year-old youth. Seeing him just sit on a yard and I spend parents' money. This a youth here, I do it, I put in the work out there to make sure him family comfortable, and you are going to look on the youth and call him Cruff, and him not ambition. I'm not sick, but people, him forward out and I apologize, you know. Yeah, man, because him did have to get beaten for this, man. But here we must see people.
There's a difference between criticism and slander. You can be critical of someone's behavior, performance, mindset. And that's one thing. Telling them for God suck them mother is quite another. Recently, when airing my frustration and grievances about the failure of the Reggae Boys to secure automatic qualification for the 2026 World Cup, I passed the line from criticism to slander. I could have simply said I was disappointed with their work ethic. I could have simply said I was disappointed that they would see fit to go out and party, rather than a difference. Apologize and take accountability and responsibility. I could have just said that. Instead, me for this time. Now, blame it on youthful exuberance. Blame it on the quest for hype and forward. You can blame it on what you want. The truth is, I was wrong to do that. And having a platform and having a voice means that it comes with extra scrutiny, and I have some responsibility. I do have a responsibility. Excellence comes with expectation. Expectation comes with standards. And if you're not able to maintain the effort that is required to uplift and maintain the standards and the expectations required for excellence, you're gonna hear about it. You shouldn't hear about it, mother, though. That's uncalled for. That's childish, that's small-minded. That type of disrespect is not progressive, right? For that, I'd like to apologize. However, we were held to certain standards they were not able to maintain or achieve because of their mindset, not because of their lack of talent. Criticism can be harsh, but criticism is meant to be learned from. Hopefully, we can all learn from this situation. We're held to certain.
So people, basically, yeah, everybody have go through the little frustration with the Reggae Boys and thing. But look here now, everybody say them thing and say, yo, John, when man them no score no goal, nothing. But brother, you forward out to bring down one man. You understand? A one little youth, littlest youth you forward to bring down. And at this youth, him na ambition and him a Cruff and all of them little thing there, bro. At that you try to do, brother. If you feel some type of way, bro, yeah, address it, but come out of your feelings, brother. Yeah, because I know the youth alone I play up on the field. The youth don't even get a chance to get a good play. Why you never call the other players them Cruff? Zine, why are this a little youth here? You pick pan out of everybody. For sure, yo. I don't know what problem you have with the youth or what, but if you call the youth Cruff and them little thing there, bro. You did have to come apologize. You tell all you boy mother. I say, but Youth, I tell you about Unina, dog. I tell you about, you see, rather than uplift people and make them do better, and I prefer just, shoot them down there, so. I just saw me see it. But, hope you learn a lesson, bro. And you see, enough of them people here, where you see on TikTok, you know, it's like, I don't know, like, them can't think positive. Maybe because, you know, the hype get to them, the fame get to them. Yeah, them feel like them can just fall out and say anything. Yeah, everybody I go with it. Yeah. I just saw it go because I'm in them feelings. And that's how the thing work, bro. Yeah. And some people are going to see this and kind of narrate it again, brother. I tell you that. Yeah. Because we further with this, brother. Damage control this, dog. Yeah. So me see. But people, you don't know, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man. I want media facts, man. That is it.